Are you tired of saying you're welcome every single time someone says thank you? Well, in today's video, you will learn 10 alternative responses that will make you sound more fluent and confident in English. Let's dive in. You may be asking, why should I stop using it if native speakers use it? Well, excellent question. These are a few reasons why you should stop using it all the time. Well, number one, it's overused and can sound repetitive. Number two, native speakers use a variety of phrases depending on context. And number three, learning alternatives helps you sound more fluent, which is what you want, right? Alternative number one, no problem. No problem. Perfect for casual situations like when a friend thanks you for holding the door open. For example, thanks for waiting for me. No problem. No problem. Alternative number two, anytime. Anytime. This is a warm and friendly response that shows you're happy to help. For example, thanks for helping me finish the report. Anytime. Anytime. Alternative number three, my pleasure. My pleasure. This is a polite and professional option, often used in formal situations or customer service. For example, thanks for assisting me with this. My pleasure. My pleasure. Alternative number four, don't mention it. Don't mention it. This is a classic way to downplay the thanks and make it sound like no big deal. For example, thanks for helping me carry these groceries. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Alternative number five, happy to help. Happy to help. This one is warm and shows genuine kindness. For example, thanks for explaining this to me. Happy to help. Happy to help. Alternative number six, sure thing. Sure thing. This is casual and confident. Great for informal interactions. For example, thanks for lending me your book. Sure thing. Sure thing. Alternative number seven, of course. Of course. This is a reassuring response that sounds polite and effortless. For example, thank you for clarifying that. Of course. Of course. Alternative number eight, it was nothing. It was nothing. This one is great for being humble and modest. For example, thanks for fixing my bike. It was nothing. It was nothing. Alternative number nine, not at all. Not at all. This is a polite and slightly formal phrase often used to reassure someone. For example, thanks for covering my shift. Not at all. Not at all. Alternative number 10, you got it. You got it. This is a fun, casual, and confident way to respond. For example, thanks for grabbing coffee for me. You got it. You got it. I hope you find these alternatives helpful. Which one is your favorite? Which one are you going to use next? I'll see you in the next one.